everyone, Carol's here today in my art dining room. I'm going to do a kiss pour, I think, on this record. So I've been debating what to do, a spiral, a kiss, whatever. So I'm going to try a kiss. I haven't done an actual one. I've done one that I was going to do into a feather, but it never turned out. So I'm going to do one with mostly white and then one with, I have a bunch of blues. I have phthalo blue. I have Deco Art Americana Bahama blue. I have cerulean blue. And I have a green, which has got some, I forget what color this is. It's a bluey green that I added to a green. I made my own color up, so it's almost like a dark turquoisey green. All right, so let's get going here. I'm gonna put some blue in. And then I think, I don't want any white on this side, so I'll put my Bahama blue. Cerulean blue, Artist Loft. Can't pronounce that one. Cerulean. Excuse me. And then this green. Some of the dark blue again. Bahama blue. I'm going to almost fill this cup. A bit more of this. Okay, now this, actually, you know what, I don't even need to dump, I guess I should, because then the cups are the same. Better check the consistency. It's pretty good. But I need more. This is my house paint mixture. Oh, did I do this one? I'll do a bit of this on the top. Okay. Now you have to have a steady hand for this. think I better sit. I don't know how you're going to be able to see what. So the idea is you pour it at the same time so that the two streams touch, and then you just let it go. This is trickier than it looks. Not bad. I'm trying to be steady. I keep moving the center. I don't know whether I need all this paint. Almost done. Whew. It's a very cool looking. A lot of white. I might have to dump off some of that white. But we'll see how it goes. I'll just go slow. Just go in a circular motion. So the sides are done, so I'm just going to twirl it around again. Get more color over here. Wow. I'm gonna bring it back. Oh, wow, that's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Clean the bottom off. Well, I think I like it just the way it is. I got a lot of that white off there. I love that. I don't know whether to torch or not. Oh, some cells were coming there. There's no silicone in this. They're coming out there more. All right, I think that's enough. I love it. I wish I could do something with all this beautiful paint there. Okay, that's it. I'm glad you stopped by for this one. Hope you like it as much as I do. If you do, hit the like button and tell me in the comments below. I'd love to hear all your comments. Subscribe if you want to. Come back soon to Carol's Art Room. Have a great day. I'll put the dried results at the end. Thanks. Bye-bye. I forgot to give you a close-up. Look at those cells. Beautiful colors too. Okay, bye-bye. Hi everyone. I'm here to look at my dried ring pour. Actually, it was a kiss, sorry. Kiss. Wasn't that long ago I did it. Yeah, it was a kiss. I love how it turned out. Dried really good. This is on a record. There you go. Some close-up. Okay, there you go. Dried results. Bye-bye.